I'd like everybody to meet our newest member of the mechanic shop. He'll be here helping out with instructional videos on different anatomy parts, and let me know in the comment section below what we should name him. Let's go over some anatomy first when it comes to the base of the neck. We've got muscles that attach in a triangular fashion in this region. Another muscle that attaches right up and through here. Reason why that's important is that we've got the vertebral artery nearby that sits inside that triangle. There's some nerves that come out of there and that run to the back of the head and at the base of the skull. And spasming in those muscles from, say, whiplash, trauma, arthritis, a slip disc, and can get headaches that start in the back of the head and then they wrap around to the front. These are called cervicogenic headaches. And we're going to go over today on ways to release this triangle muscles in this region. Spasming of these suboccipital muscles will cause a referred pain pattern that will start at the base of the skull and then wrap to the front like a ram's horn distribution. When we perform a chin tuck, you'll notice how these muscles are attached underneath here on the second and first vertebrae to the base of the skull. When we do the chin tuck, we tilt the skull downward, which then separates the insertion and origin of that muscle. So that it elongates the muscle so that way we can get a stretch. So it'll be a skull tilt and then you'll be pushing your head backwards. And I'll demonstrate that on myself here shortly. Pro tip for suboccipital tension and headaches that start from the back of the neck that wrap around towards the front of the head in the ram's horn distribution is getting a basic sock, and all you do is take 2 tennis balls, place them at the bottom of the sock as far down as they'll go. And then you're going to wind it tight so that way they're cinched together. Tie a knot so that way it doesn't come out, lose any of its tightness. And there you go. Okay, now that we have the suboccipital tennis balls ready, we can lay down. All you do is just use this tennis ball setup at the base of the skull. Lie down, and you want to get comfortable, knees bent to support your low back, but you want to rest there for 2 to 4 minutes as needed for pain and tension in the back of that suboccipital region. Now that we've loosened up the suboccipital muscles with the tennis balls, let's go ahead and stretch them. So first, what you're going to do, just like we did in the skeletal model, is you're going to nod your skull downward. And then after that, you're going to push your head straight back, like you're trying to get away from somebody's hand. So you're going to do it all in one motion. So chin tuck down. You want to perform 10 reps and you're going to hold it for 5 seconds. You can perform this throughout the day as needed for tension and pain throughout the suboccipital region that's causing you the headaches. This concludes our cervicogenic headache quick fix tutorial. Thank you for joining in, and be sure to stay tuned because soon we're going to be going over a postural series. So that's going to help tie into a lot of the stuff that creates these headaches as well. So if you're sitting at a computer, doing a desk job, or standing, bending over, stay tuned because this one's going to help you a lot. Have a great day. Thank you for joining us again with the Mechanic Shop.